Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we bring you the top business, economy, market and global news headlines that can impact India and your investments. So let's get started. 8. India-US trade or global politics. First up, India has firmly rejected the claim that it backed out of a trade deal with the US. The government clarified that negotiations are complex and must protect national interest, especially in sensitive sectors like agriculture and data. Meanwhile, globally, Iran has cut off internet services as protests against the regime intensify, raising geopolitical risk in the region. This could impact crude oil prices in the coming days. Though, India-EU FTA update. In a positive development, India and the European Union have renewed their pledge to finalize the free trade agreement at the earliest. This is important because an India-EU FTA can boost exports in pharma, textiles, engineering and auto sectors. Investors should keep an eye on export-oriented companies here. Theme: GDP or economy outlook. Former SIR Arvind Subramanian has said that India's latest GDP figures should be read cautiously. He pointed out that while headline numbers look strong, private investment and consumption trends need close monitoring. At the same time, onion prices have fallen sharply due to a robust Kharif harvest, giving some relief on the inflation front. 4. Big reforms in customs or infrastructure. The government is planning major reforms in customs procedures to improve ease of doing business and reduce clearance time. Also, pension funds may soon be allowed direct investment in infrastructure, which can be a big boost for roads, railways, power and renewable projects. This is structurally very positive for infrastructure stocks. 5. Market or investment trends. Now let's talk markets. Demat accounts crossed record growth in 2025, the highest in 6 years, showing strong retail participation. Mutual fund industry's December inflows hit 66,591 crore rupees, indicating continued confidence from investors. Bain's Manappuram deal is facing delays due to RBI objections, which is important for NBFC space. These trends clearly show that Indian retail investors are becoming more active and confident in equities. 6. Company-specific news. Some important corporate updates. Lenovo will export AI servers from India, showing India's growing role in the global tech supply chain. Reliance Industries is in talks to buy Venezuelan oil, which can help diversify crude sourcing. Ashok Leyland aims to be among the top 10 commercial vehicle makers globally. Strong long-term vision. United Breweries is stepping up its premium beer push, indicating rising demand for premium consumption. SoftBank has sold 2.15% stake in Ola Electric, something to watch in the EV space. The government has also announced AI labeling rules to ease burden on routine edits, which is good for digital platforms and content companies. 7. Global business news. Internationally, Rio Tinto and Glencore are in talks to form the world's biggest mining company, a mega consolidation in the mining space. Trump has cancelled the second wave of attacks on Venezuela, and OPEC oil output has fallen, both of which can affect oil markets. 8. What this means for investors. So overall, the big themes to watch are: India-EU FTA progress, infrastructure and pension fund reforms, strong retail participation in markets, export and manufacturing push from India, global geopolitical risks affecting oil. If you are tracking infrastructure, renewables, manufacturing, defense, even export-oriented stocks, these developments are very relevant. Outro call to action. That's all for today's top business and market updates. If you found this video useful, Like, share and subscribe to the channel for daily news and smart investing insights. Comment below which sector you are tracking right now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Rocket.